everyone, as an Instagram user, I really wish I could download videos from Instagram to share with my friends in China who don't really have access to this app. And I know some users wish to upload photos from desktop because they are using photo editing software such as Photoshop, Lightroom. There's really no need for them to send images to mobile. But if you browsing Instagram from PC right now, you couldn't really find any download or upload button. So my dear friend Fujima created a lovely Chrome extension called IGES to help you conduct both actions. What you need to do right now is to go to the Chrome Web Store and search an app called the IGES. Okay, let's wait. Yes, that it is. It's a really simple extension to use. If you're familiar with the Chrome extension, you understand. You just need to click the Add to Chrome button and wait for the extension automatically installed in the Chrome. And then you can just go back to your front page and refresh the page. You'll find a download button right next to your account information, that is. And then you can set up the downloading preference if you want to download multiple videos or images. If you just want one specific photo, you can just click the download button on that photo, and the same with the video downloading. And what makes me really happy is that I can actually go to the others page and download their videos. Like, for example, this video, I just loved it and really want to share with my family because that puppy looks exactly like mine. And there's also a upload button at the bottom of the page. You can upload your images from there and take advantage of some like built-in filters and do some basic editing if you want. And you can also add location or tag people. Okay, that's pretty much everything for this version right now. If you like it, please go and try, and maybe you can leave us a comment on the Chrome store so we know how to improve for the next version. Thank you so much for watching this demo video today, and I hope this extension can really help you. Ta-da! See you next time.